Today's class we will discuss about hierarchical paging, and mainly we need to divide the page table into smaller page tables called hierarchical paging. Here we will divide the entire page table into smaller page table so that each page table may fit into the one of the frame in the main memory. Okay. Let us see the introduction part, how a main memory means RAM is divided into frames, how each page table is exactly has to be fit into that particular frame. If page table size is more than the frame size, then what we have to do, then it cannot be fit in a one single frame. Then the page table has to be divided into number of page tables. That's the way, that is 2-page table, 3-page table, or 4-page table, and so on. Now let us see the introduction part. We know that, my dear friends, CPU generates a logical address. Nowadays, the system is so big, so fast and powerful. CPU is generating logical address of 32-bit or 64-bit. 32-bit, 2 power 32, 2 power 64. In such cases, we need huge page table. Suppose 32, 2 power 32. Page size is, for example, 4 KB. Then we need page table entries are 1 million or 1 MB. But generally, my dear friend, the segment size may not be the same of 1 MB. Segment size is always less than page table. Then it cannot fit into a particular segment entire page table. Then we need to divide this page table into several sub page tables so that each page table should be fit into the main memory frame. This is a frame. Okay, my dear friends, now let us see how this happens. We'll see with an example. A system with a 32-bit logical address space with page size 4 KB. Okay, then page table 32 bits. 32 bits consists of 32 bits means logical address plus displacement. Page number plus displacement. So 2 power 32. Each page size is 4 KB. 2 power 2. KB means 2 power 10 is equals to 2 power 32 minus 2 power 4 is equals to 2 power 20. 2 power 20 page table entries. Now this is the table. How many entries, my dear friends? These entries are 2 power 20 entries. Then what is the size of this page table? Size of this page table. Suppose each entry we need 4 bytes. Then 2 power 20 into 4 bytes is equals to 2 power 20 into 4 MB is equals to, we can say, 4 MB table size. 4 MB table size is a huge amount of the table we need to store in a particular frame in the main memory, in the RAM. See, this much table you want to store, 4 MB table. maximum time 4 MB table we cannot use. So process needs only few pages, but loading and using 4 MB memory in a RAM is mere waste. So what is the best idea is, we'll divide these page table into smaller page table so that it fits in a particular frame. Okay. Now let us see the diagram, how it will be two-level paging diagram I want to give you now. Two-level paging. This is a memory. This is memory. Memory is converted into 0 frame 1, 0 frame 1, and so on. With 100, with 500. Let us see, this is the memory. This is one more page table we are created here, page table. 1 to 500 means from 1 to 500, 100 to 708, 708, 929 to 900, 900, 920. Again, this is, my dear friends, page table, page of page table. And this is outer page table. Outer page table. You see this hierarchical paging, this is the memory, and this is page of page table 1 to 500 here. This represents, this gives this page of page table, and this gives this page of page table, this gives this page of page table, and here 3 locations. From these 3 we can go into the page table, page of page table. From this again, from 1 to 500, you can access the main memory. This is called hierarchical page table. We can increase the number of page table access to page table. We can use, sometimes we can use 3 page table, 4 page table. Okay. How we can divide? Suppose one page table is there. Let us see one small example. Frame size is 4 KB. 4 KB means 2 power 2 into 2 power 10, 2 power 12. 12 bits we need for 4 KB frame. Frame size is 4 KB. Suppose your table, page table size is 8 KB. This 8 KB you cannot fit into a particular single frame. This entire table cannot fit into a single frame. So we need to divide again. This page table has to divide again to one more page table. Understood? If it is like this, the page table size is 3 KB. You no need to divide this page table into a smaller page table. This 3 KB directly fits into one of the frame in the main memory. If the key concept in hierarchical paging is, if page table size is more than frame size, then we need to split into 2-3 page tables. Okay. Now let us see with an example.